Hey y'all. So we got a nice and easy one with you for you today with perimeter. So perimeter, you may have already seen this a little bit before. Its chances are it's come up last year. Perimeter is the space or the sort of the length around an object. So we usually talk about it within two-dimensional shapes, and we talk about perimeter as in um, two-dimensional shapes, and it is like the fenced area. So or the walls. Okay, so here we have a rectangle 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Now, because it's a rectangle, we know that it's actually 2 centimeters on both sides and 3 centimeters on both sides. All we have to do to find the perimeter is just add that up. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. Now, of course, because it's a rectangle, we could do 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. We could also write it, and you'll see them often use shorthand using multiplication. Perimeter for a square or for a rectangle, P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, so in this case, the length is 3, the width is 2, and so 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. You add them together. Now, is that easier than just doing 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2? Not necessarily. It's all the same. You'll get there either way. I just wanted to let you know how you would do it. So perimeter equals the length plus the length plus the width plus the width, right? But if you have two of the widths, it's just 2 times W. Okay. For the regular hexagon, that's 6, right? So it would be the length times 6. Okay. Now here, it's easier doing that one multiplication problem than doing length plus length plus length plus length plus length plus length. Okay. We use the cursive L for length, by the way, so if that's hopefully makes it easy to understand. Now, when you're doing irregular, here we struggle a little bit. When we're doing this, we can't just add everything together because we don't necessarily know all of the different stuff, right? So here we have 8, 4, 5, a missing number here, and 11. Well, the 8 corresponds with this side here, and that 4 corresponds with this side here. So if that's 8 and that's 4, then this must be 8 plus 4, which gives us our answer, okay, of 11. When we're doing here, okay, when we're doing this, we are actually able, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, sorry, 12. We're actually able to, it doesn't matter if it's irregular or regular when we're doing this, for the perimeter anyway. For the area, it'll matter a lot. But here, once we find the space here, so that's 11, that's 12, 5, 4, 8. Okay? This length here and this length here, right? 4 and 6. So this guy's 6, right? Once we do that, that is actually the same as this shape here, where we have 11, we have 12, we have 8 plus 4, and we have 6 plus 5. Okay? It's actually the same. So when we're doing the perimeter, it's still, even for an irregular, it's still going to be the length times 2 plus the width times 2. I did that backwards, but so So it doesn't actually change all that much, right? All of that stuff, you can either just add it together or you can use the multiplication. Yeah, I don't think there's really much for me to go over. I think you guys will be able to do this just fine. I do want you to do the activity. Okay, so the activity will be part of what I want you to do. So do the activity. And then because you're doing the activity, we'll do 1 through 1 through 13. 13 is a little tricky. Okay. And then we'll do 15 through 25 odd. Okay. And that will be the work for today. All right, guys, have a good one.